All right, now we're on try number one. So Maria made 2 batches of fruit punch. The table at the right shows how many quarts of juice she used for each batch. Write an equation that relates the proportional quantities. So they've set up the equation. You can see the table, but they want us to do grape juice to apple juice. So if we're doing that, we'll be comparing 8 to 5, and then the other one is 16 to 10. If you actually divide these out, you get 1.6, and here you get 1.6. So I can write an equation, y equals 1.6x. So any amount of apple juice I want to put in here, we multiply it by 1.6, and we get the amount of grapefruit. So here's another question, extension, so to speak. How does the equation change if the amount of grape juice is the independent variable x, and the amount of apple juice is the dependent variable y? So again, they're saying this is not the y, this is the x, this is not x, this is y. So we'd be switching these. We'd be creating a different fraction. It would be 5 over 8, and the other one would be 10 over 16. So I don't have it completely memorized, but I think that gives us 0.625. So if that's the case, then we just get a new equation, y equals 0.625x, where x represents the grape juice. So if we put in a grape juice of 16 or of 20, we plug it in there, we multiply, we end up getting 62.5% of that grape juice. We end up getting that as the apple juice quantity. So we could still work it either way. You just need to be very consistent when you do your calculations, as they show here. Don't flip your y and your x, because then you get the same ratio. But we can still use it that way.